Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Essential English. Today's episode is called Talk About Your Day. We're going to learn how to describe your daily routine in English from the moment you wake up until bedtime.
And to make it fun and easy, we'll follow Mike, who's going to share everything he did yesterday. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and practice talking about your own day. So, Mike, what time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday. My alarm went off and I thought, 5 more minutes, please. But then I said, come on, Mike, get up.
Do you usually wake up at 7?
Yes, but sometimes I wake up later on weekends.
Yous woke up to talk about yesterday. I woke up at 7. I woke up late.
And what did you do after you woke up?
First, I brushed my teeth and washed my face. Then, I made my bed and chose my clothes.
Do you usually make your bed in the morning?
Sometimes, but not always.
Simple phrases for your routine. I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. I made my bed.
All right, Mike, let's talk about breakfast. What did you have yesterday?
I made some coffee. I need coffee every morning. Then I had toast, scrambled eggs, and a banana.
Do you always eat breakfast at home?
Not always. Sometimes I have breakfast at a cafe near my office, but yesterday I ate at home.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
I love pancakes with honey, but I only make them on weekends. During the week, I eat something quick.
So yesterday was quick and simple, right?
Yes. Coffee, toast, eggs, and fruit done in 10 minutes.
Here are some useful breakfast phrases. Repeat after us. I made coffee. I had scrambled eggs for breakfast. I had toast and fruit. Sometimes I have breakfast at a cafe.
And how do you ask someone about their breakfast?
You can say, what did you have for breakfast? Or, did you have coffee this morning?
So, Mike, how did you get to work yesterday?
I took the bus at 8 a.m. On the way, I saw my friend Sarah at the bus stop. We talked for a few minutes.
Hey, Mike, did you watch the football game last night?
No, I missed it. Was it good?
Yes, our team won.
See, even small conversations like this are great to practice. What time did you get to work?
I arrived at 8:30 a.m. First, I checked my emails. Then I had a short meeting with my team.
Did you work on anything important?
Yes, I prepared a presentation for next week and helped my coworker Lisa with a report.
Thanks for helping me, Mike.
No problem, anytime.
When you help someone, you can say no problem or anytime.
All right, let's move to lunch.
I had lunch at 12:30. I went to a small restaurant near the office and ordered grilled chicken, rice, and salad.
Sounds delicious. Did you go alone?
No, I went with Sarah and Lisa. We talked about our weekend plans. Sarah wants to go hiking, and Lisa is visiting her parents.
That's nice. Do you often eat out?
Not every day. Sometimes I bring my lunch from home.
And what did you do after lunch, Mike?
After lunch, I came back to the office and finished my presentation. It took about an hour. Then I answered some emails from clients and organized my schedule for next week.
Do you usually plan your week in advance?
Yes, I try to. I use a calendar app on my phone. I write down meetings, tasks, and reminders.
That's smart. It helps to stay organized.
Exactly. At 4 p.m., I took a short coffee break with my coworkers. We talked about movies and weekend plans. Sarah recommended a new Netflix show. She said, "You should watch it. It's amazing."
Nice. What did you say?
I said, "Thanks, I'll check it out."
When someone recommends something, you can answer, "Thanks, I'll check it out." Or "I'll take a look."
And after the coffee break,
I called a client to discuss a new project. We talked for about 30 minutes. After that, I reviewed my notes and prepared a short report.
sounds like a busy afternoon.
Yes, but very productive.
What about after work, Mike? Did you go straight home?
Not exactly. First, I walked my dog, Max. He loves running around the park. We played fetch for about 20 minutes.
That's fun. Do you walk him every day?
Yes, every evening. It's good exercise for both of us.
And after the park,
Max got a little dirty, so I gave him a quick bath when we got home. He hates it, but he looks so clean afterward.
that's adorable. And what did you do next?
Then I prepared dinner. I cooked pasta with vegetables and made a small salad. I like simple meals during the week.
Did you eat alone?
No, my friend Tom came over. We had dinner together and talked about our weekend plans. Tom wants to go camping.
Here are some useful evening phrases. I walked my dog in the park. I gave him a bath. I cooked pasta for dinner. I had dinner with a friend.
And what about later, after dinner?
After dinner, Tom and I watched a movie on Netflix. It was a comedy, really funny. We laughed a lot.
Nice. What was the name of the movie?
It's called Crazy Neighbors. You should watch it.
Maybe I will. And after the movie,
Tom left around 10:30 p.m. I cleaned the kitchen, washed the dishes, and then prepared my bag for work the next day.
so organized, do you always prepare your things the night before?
Yes, it helps me save time in the morning. I put my laptop, charger, notebook, and lunch inside my backpack.
Great expressions to describe this part of the day. I watched a movie on Netflix. I cleaned the kitchen. I washed the dishes. I prepared my bag for work.
Mike, you had a really full day.
Yes, but it was fun and productive.
Thank you so much, Mike, for sharing your day with us. It was really fun, and we learned a lot of useful expressions today.
You're welcome. I hope it helps everyone describe their own day in English.
Let's review some of the most important expressions we learned today. Repeat after us. I woke up at 7. I had coffee and toast for breakfast. I took the bus to work. I helped Lisa with a report. I had lunch with Sarah and Lisa. I called a client in the afternoon. I walked my dog in the park. I gave him a bath. I cooked pasta for dinner. I watched a movie with Tom. I cleaned the kitchen and washed the dishes. I prepared my bag for work. I went to bed at 11.
Now it's your turn. Describe your day using these phrases. You can start with, yesterday I woke up at. and keep going.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our next episodes. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.